morning, everybody. This is Lance here at Transwest. Today I'm excited to bring you this beautiful 2019. It is a Dynamax DX3. It's a 37 TS, 37 triple slide. Absolutely gorgeous coach. The paint exterior here is well done. It's called the Cabernet paint job. It's sitting on the M2 106 chassis. It's got a 350 Cummins motor. And if you guys like to tow, this is going to have 20,000 pounds worth of towing capacity. So just a really nice workhorse. You're going to love some of the upgrades that we've done in this coach, but we're going to start up here in the cab. And one of the things I just kind of want to point out really quick is just how nice these chairs are. We had all this just recently done, all brand new upholstery. You've got your CB just above. For all those who might have some kiddos or maybe some guests, you got a really nice overhead bunk area. It is going to be equipped with a Samsung TV, and you do have a window over here with the day and night shade, and the window does open up if you want to get some nice fresh air rolling through here. Now, just along the sidewall here, you'll see we do have our inverter set up. They do have it equipped with solar, so just a nice little setup there. And then as you see here to the left, beautiful entertainment theater seating. This whole coach just got completely redone. So brand new upholstery here, brand new upholstery on the dinette. Just absolutely gorgeous. I think it pairs well with the decor. And then just across from the entertainment theater seating here, you do see that we have a beautiful fireplace, lots of countertop, and we do have a televator. Let's be up or down. Maybe your dinette slides. You can go through, control all your lighting features. You can go through here, check your tank levels, your battery levels. As you can see, the batteries in this are really healthy. Your coach batteries are 13.8, chassis 14. Just doesn't get any better than that, ladies and gentlemen. But anyway, just a nice area where you come in here and control a lot of the functions inside the coach. All right, so coming on down here through the galley, we got a really nice a lot of extra counter space here. I love this gooseneck faucet here. This is a really nice style. I like that style faucet. You got a double stainless steel sink, induction cooktop, and really nice. This is all carpet lined cabinetry here. Convection microwave oven, and then some really nice drawers down here down below. And this is going to be all very nice soft closing drawers. And a lot of the light controls, you can see beautiful accent lighting here just below the cabinets. Very well done. And I actually like this little area for me. This is probably where I put my coffee pot, but you know, maybe have your whiskey, your wine, nice little area here to entertain. And then across from the galley, we got our Frigidaire refrigerator, and we do have a nice little pull-out pantry here. So plenty of extra storage. All right, coming through here in the hallway, we got a split bathroom. On this side, we got our beautiful vanity here. Nice, a lot of additional drawers. And then right through here, we're gonna have our shower, toilet setup. Now this is gonna be a one-piece shower, so no seams in the shower at all. And you've got a really nice, I like the little spray nozzle there too. Just a nice way to kind of keep things clean and tidy. All right, and then coming across here, we've got our nice Splendid washer and dryer. And I actually like the location. So as you're doing your laundry, you fold it, you can throw it all here on the bed, get all your work done. You go from the dryer to the bed, right into the closet here at the foot of the bed. And as you can see, we're just loaded with drawers. Got a nice beautiful Samsung TV, and you do have a nice sound bar here too, just below. And then on each side of the bed, you do have windows that open up with some nice overhead storage. Just really well done, guys. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Lance Ortega here at Transwest. at the Belton location. And just keep in mind, I mean, snow's getting ready to fly, so if you want to winterize your coach, give us a call, or if you want to get it de-winterized because you're heading south for the winter, we'd love to help you. And we're going to give you a quick tour of the outside. I look forward to hearing from you.